BitFlyer Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The BitFlyer Wallet app is more than just a storage solution. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for trading Bitcoin. In reality, it offers a secure, easy-to-use platform for buying, selling, and managing multiple cryptocurrencies. On the pros side, BitFlyer supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major coins with fast deposits and withdrawals. Security is a key strength, featuring two-factor authentication, cold storage, and regulatory compliance in Japan and other regions. Users can track their portfolio, receive price alerts, and manage multiple crypto assets in a clean, intuitive interface. The app also supports instant transfers between users, simplifying crypto payments. On the cons side, fees for buying crypto with credit cards can be high. Advanced trading features are limited within the mobile app, and some features are region restricted. Customer support can be slow during peak periods, which may frustrate users needing urgent assistance. In conclusion, BitFlyer Wallet app is ideal for beginners and casual crypto users looking for a secure, simple, and reliable way to manage their digital assets. While it lacks advanced trading and may have higher fees for certain transactions, its strong security, ease of use, and multi-crypto support make it a solid choice for everyday crypto management.